Hatid na ako ni Daddy sa loob. See you, Philippines.
That's how it always goes. One heart's breaking while another one is mending. It's all in the ebb and flow. If I had to, I could go it alone, but I don't ever.
First duty free.
Cause I have a home somewhere to run.
Hello mga Ceci. So, good morning. For the meantime, nandito ako sa Perth Airport. Nag-iintay ako.
Because you've become my
Hello, good morning. So yan, nakahanap na ako ng spot. So habang nag-iintay, time check. So this morning, 5:29 na. And yung boarding namin is mga 8:45. So I still have a lot of time. So kain na tayo mga beshi. Kain na tayo mga sesi water. Wala akong makitang kainan dito eh. So try ko itong pagkain ng good food. So charge nung muna din ng konti habang naghihintay. And yeah, can't wait. Mamaya ulit.
That's what it takes to grow. One life left is another that's just starting, and that's just the way it goes.
Nakasakay na ako sa aeroplano. Ang saya. Solo ko yung upuan. Wala akong katabi. Kaya dito na ako naupo sa tabi ng bintana. See you in a bit, Philippines. Time check. 8:51.
Because you've become my home. These windows could shatter to the ground. These walls could fall right down. The lights could all burn out. Because this house is not my home.
So time check. 3:10 p.m. in the afternoon. And then 41 minutes left na lang is lalapag na kami. Yun. Kamusta yung flight? Okay naman. Mag-iintay na lang kami ng 40 minutes para makalapag kami. So see you in a bit. Lalapag na.
You've become my
Nakalapag na. Excited na ako bumaba. Nakababa na ng plane. Nalakad na palabas. Takpan po.
That's what it takes to grow.
Yes.
Left is another that's just starting, and that's just the way it goes. If I had to, I could go alone, but I don't ever need to, because I
Palabas na ako. Naghihintay na lang ako sa kanila. And mag-init na. Ayun na sila ganun. Ma, dito. Ma! Ako sabi, sila na lang. Ako, sila na po bahala dyan. Ma! Ay, sabi na siya. Lola! Nandito na, nasa ng baby ko? Ay, tita Jana, dyan ako. Dali! Baby! Baby ko! Ganda naman ha! Ay! Ay! Hello! Bija! Hello! Mommy's here! Mommy's here! How's my baby? Ang laki na ng baby ko eh! Ang laki na! 3/4 na Kuya! Mugi! Eh, ayos naman ma. Kasama ko na rin ang baby loves ko. Magkasama kami ng 2 months. Wait namin si daddy next month.